Welcome to the Learning Bootstrap from HTML to WordPress theme course. Your instructor in this course is Abul Hussain, and he'll be sharing his web development techniques, skills and experience with you. Abul is a web designer and developer who's very passionate about what he does. He started learning about HTML, CSS, jQuery, jQuery UI and so on way back in 2005 and has worked on a range of projects ever since. If you're just starting out on your web development journey, then Abul is an ideal instructor to learn from because he's been in your very position and he's built up an impressive list of skills since then, which he can now hand over to you in this course. The course is published by the Learn Programming Academy, founded and created by Tim Bachalka, a teacher and software developer with over 35 years of experience. Tim's goal, through his own students and the Academy, is to make available the highest quality training to anyone wanting to learn real-world skills in software development. Bootstrap for developers are in high demand, especially because of the internet's mobile-first focus for websites. Mastering this and developing a rock-solid foundation in the Bootstrap framework will give you very valuable skills that employers are looking for. In addition, the WordPress PHP skills that you'll learn in this course will make you even more employable and desirable by future employers. Many developers make a great living by creating custom WordPress themes and selling them on websites like Theme Forest. Freelance designers and developers can also take on WordPress projects that can generate a great income. By the end of this course, you'll have built up the skills and ability to handcraft a stunning and powerful website with HTML5 and CSS3. You'll also be able to convert static websites to dynamic websites using WordPress, allowing you to market your skills to a diverse range of clients. The skills you learn in this course will dramatically enhance your web development skills and put your career on the fast track to success. So why not get started today? Click the Enroll button to sign up for the course on this page, and feel free also to check out some of the free preview videos relating to the course content, which you can also do on this page. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.